Subscribe, like, and share with your friends for more videos. GVV Show.
Viewers, welcome to my favorite channel GVV Show Basic English Grammar. In previous classes, we discussed about word, sentence, parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Yeah, I already given definitions and examples of all parts of speech. Then we complete articles. There are three types of articles: a and the, and voices, active voice and passive voice. So last class I discussed about tenses. There are three kinds of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. I already given words, example words, and I make exercises also, examples exercises also. So now today I am going to discuss degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. So degree of comparison. So in this sentence, the meaning itself we are realizing comparison means, so take differences between one and other. This is called comparison. So there are there are three types of comparison. Three types of comparison. One is positive, positive degree, and second one is comparative, third one is superlative. These three types of comparison we must discuss about in English grammar. The chapter is degree of comparison. So uh, once again I am reminding. So in tenses, verb forms will come in tenses. Now this degree of comparison, adjective words are come in degree of comparison. Like good, positive, good, comparative, better, superlative, best, good, better, best. So great, greater, greatest. It is the superlative degree. There is no other word to say in English. Is the best. So then small, smaller, smallest, high, higher, higher, highest. So high, higher, highest, good, better, best, great, greater, greatest, small, smaller, smallest, high, higher, highest. Coming to the point, so few words about degree of comparison. As I say just now, positive adjectives are came into degree of comparison. So now I am dictating more words of degree of comparison. Big in positive, big K compared to bigger, biggest, large, larger, largest, large, larger, largest, low, lower, lowest, low, lower, lowest. So these are the comparative degrees of words. When big come in positive degree, it became change in comparative bigger. So superlative degree it is the highest word biggest. So one I am giving one more example how we can use in the sentence using degree of comparison words. Big. An elephant is a big animal. This is the positive sentence. When it compare it to sentence we must say elephant is bigger than other animals. So when we say in superlative degree, elephant is the biggest animal in the world, in the what we say in the forest. Elephant is an elephant is the biggest animal in the forest. This is the superlative degree. Now I am taking examples with degree of comparison words. So I am first I am taking big word. So big is an adjective word. All adjective words comes into degree of comparison. So positive degree P. An elephant is a big animal. So this is the positive degree. So when we write in comparative, an elephant is a bigger than D. So we are comparing. So than D, it is bigger than D. So superlative degree, an elephant is the biggest of all animals. All animals. This is the right way. So big. I taken one word into make degree of comparison big. When we say in big word in positive degree, an elephant is a big animal, and when we write in comparative, an elephant is a bigger than deer. Superlative degree it is the most super. An elephant is the biggest of all animals. Second one. I am taking large. First, I am writing positive. We are writing in positive degree large. Ganga is the large river in India. Comparative, Ganga river is larger than Godavari. Godavari river. So in superlative, yes, we write. In superlative degree, we can write Ganga is the largest river of all rivers in India. So again I am explaining. So I take a big word. I am making 3 degree of comparisons. P. So P means here positive, big. Big, how can we make positive? An elephant is a big animal. An elephant is a big animal. And C. C means comparative. An elephant is a bigger than deer. So superlative. An elephant is the biggest of all animals. So second one, I take a large word. So when we make degree of comparison positive degree, Ganga is the large river in India. Comparative, Ganga river is larger than Godavari river. Superlative degree, Ganga is the largest river of all rivers in India. Yes, now I am taking strong. So how can we make strong word into 3 degree of comparison? So first of all, positive. Tiger is the strong animal. Comparative, tiger is stronger than goat. Tiger is stronger than goat. Superlative. Tiger is the strongest animal in the forest. Tiger is the strongest animal in the forest. Next, I am taking high. Positive. High, how can we make in positive degree? Himalayas are the high mountains. Comparative, Himalayas are the higher than other Indian mountains. Superlative degree, Himalayas are the highest 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 mountain in the world. So these are the examples I have given. First of all, I taken strong. Positive degree, tiger is the strong animal. Comparative degree, tiger is stronger than goat. Superlative degree, tiger is the strongest animal in the forest. Next I took high. High. High means it is high. So positive degree, Himalayas are the high mountains. Comparative degree, Himalayas are the higher than other Indian mountains. Superlative degree, Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Friends, if you like my videos and my lessons, please subscribe and like, share it with your friends. For more videos, you subscribe me for moral supporting me. So for better lessons in further classes. Thank you.